everybody, if you're one of my drummers, I thought you might like to try this little activity at home. If you've got a drum kit, you can turn it into a samba set. If you haven't got a drum kit, I'm going to show you in a minute how to create some sort of junk funk creation. So if you have got a drum kit, use a floor tom, snare drum, high tom and cymbal bell, which will replicate my Serdo drum, my Kaisha snare drum, my repenique and my cowbell. On your floor tom, you're going to play this rhythm. 1, 2, 3, butterfly. 1, 2, 3, butterfly. Which will just repeat round and round and round. By the way, this is going to create a version of samba reggae. On your snare drum, you're going to hit the hand once, snare drum twice. On your repenique or your tom-tom, I want you to play a clave rhythm using the words Saturday, Sunday. And on cowbell or the bell of your cymbal, you're going to play a cascara rhythm using the words Newcastle can beat Middlesbrough. Newcastle can beat Middlesbrough. Newcastle can beat Middlesbrough. Newcastle can beat Middlesbrough. Okay, I'm now going to show you what that sounds like all put together. 3, 4. Hi guys, welcome back. Now, as I said, I realised not everybody has a full samba set, so we're going to try a junk funk version of this. So what you're going to need is a trainer, a wheelie bin, a wooden spoon and a little saucepan, an empty bottle of pop, and I've chosen this empty box of chocolates. That's going to be my snare drum. Empty bottle of pop is going to be my repenique. The saucepan and wooden spoon is going to be my cowbell, and the wheelie bin and the trainer is going to be my bass Serdo drum. So here's what it all should sound like. Well, I hope you've all enjoyed this little samba lesson. Just to let you know, the app that I'm using is called Acapella Maker. It's a free app. You find it on Google Store, Google Play, and it's really good fun. You can just layer yourself up playing different instruments. Doesn't matter if it's drums, it could be piano, guitar, anything. I've been having quite a lot of fun with it. It's a bit tricky to begin with, but it's worth having a go at. And I would love to see your versions of a samba or your little ensembles when this is all over. Okay, stay safe everybody, bye.